Hello, this is Pooja Sharma, and this time I am at the Courtyard by Marriott, and I will explore Siliguri's kitchen today. So let's go inside and try some out. Hello, this is Pooja Sharma, and right now I am at the Courtyard by Marriott, and the chef Prabhakar invited me for the breakfast today. And I have tried so many items out there. The dishes were amazing, but I want to know much about the food, Courtyard's food. So hello chef, welcome to Khabar Samay.
हाय पूजा।
So chef, यहाँ 5 स्टार के खाने में और नॉर्मल रेस्टोरेंट्स के खाने में क्या डिफरेंस है?
पूजा, it is all about the recipes and the timing of the ingredients that you are working on. आप जब बना रहे हो तो कोई पर्टिकुलर रेसिपी, तो ये चीज डिपेंड करता है कि कौन सा इंग्रेडिएंट्स किस समय डालना है और किस क्वांटिटी में डालना है. That makes big differences in final product.
So सिलीगुड़ी की जो ऑडियंस है, कोर्टयार्ड फर्स्ट जो हमारे सिलीगुड़ी शहर में आया है 5 स्टार होटल, सो क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या डिफरेंस है यहाँ पे, लोगों को ट्राई करना चाहिए? और यहाँ के जैसे कि मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट सुना है, मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट डेफिनेटली ट्राई भी किया था एंड दैट वाज रियली अमेजिंग. ब्रेकफास्ट और लंच एंड डिनर क्या क्या सेगमेंट है, क्या क्या स्पेशल आइटम्स है इसमें डालेगा?
Italian,
ब्रेकफास्ट
anything. Like see, the most different thing is like we are using all fresh ingredients. It is there are also the organic things like sprouts we are using. There are something that we are growing also in our garden, the cucumber and all. So the main basic thing differences are that is the organic things that we are using, the ingredients and the products. Yes, like in breakfast we have a few specialities like aloo dum, that you can go with luchi. It goes very well. The difference is that Pooja also has experience today is like the taste of the aloo dum.
it was amazing. It was amazing.
Yeah, the taste of the aloo dum. It's all everything is like it's the regular recipe that has been used. But the way it has been prepared and that secret things that has been used, that makes a difference in that too.
थैंक यू सो मच प्रभाकर जी. सो आपने देखा कि हमने शेफ से बिल्कुल इन्फॉर्मेशन जानने की कोशिश की और शेफ ने भी बहुत कुछ ट्राई किया है. यहाँ के मैंने बिल्कुल यहाँ के डिशेस बहुत ट्राई किए हैं, मुझे डेफिनेटली बहुत पसंद आया. अगर आप मुझसे पर्टिकुलर पूछोगे कि मुझे कौन से टाइम का चीज़ें पसंद आई, तो डेफिनेटली मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई. इवन आई हैव ट्राइड लंच ऑल्सो एंड मैं डिनर भी बिल्कुल ट्राई करूँगी. और जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा कि अभी तक मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट के सारे आइटम्स पूरे पसंद आए, मैंने सब कुछ ऑलरेडी ट्राई किया. थैंक यू सो मच. So this is private dining room where you can conduct small birthday parties, kitty parties, conference meeting, and it can also be customized. Courtyard includes 129 spacious rooms with contemporary decor that includes 99 superior rooms, 20 deluxe rooms, 9 junior suite room and 1 suite room. So let's explore. If you are fitness freak, then Courtyard also offers private gym, so come and sweat it out. With delicious delicacies you can even enjoy on the poolside. मेरे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं डायरेक्टर कोर्टयार्ड के, तो बिल्कुल हम तमाम इन्फॉर्मेशन उनसे जानेंगे. सो सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू खबर सर.
Thank you so much and welcome Siliguri.
So sir, as it is Siliguri's first international hotel, but I want to know about the beginning of Courtyard.
Okay, beginning has been so interesting for us. I will say especially it's always challenging, especially once you enter into a nascent market, because I think we are the first international brand to enter in this market. So I will not say we were nervous. Yes, we were much prepared, but we were prepared because there were a lot of expectations and immense pressure to meet the expectation of Siliguri people. So combinedly, Marriott International and Money Group, which is the ownership of this hotel, has taken a very bold step to enter in this market and get the dream of Siliguri people live. Today we stand tall and confident just because the people of Siliguri wanted something which is international level, and we are here. Happy to be here.
Siliguri is no more a small city. Development is taking place in every sector. So what was the motive behind the establishment of Courtyard in Siliguri, as it is first?
On this part, I will say Marriott has always been experimental. From the entering into 1999, they've been spreading their footfall across all the cities and all the corners of the country. And this is the first hotel of Marriott which is entered in the Northeast. And the motive is increasing footfall, employment to the people, and develop the culture and tourism.
What makes Courtyard different from the other hotels?
It's very interesting. As I mentioned, we are here to meet the expectations of the people, and they had lot many expectations when we say that we are coming up with a Courtyard, which is a Marriott International brand. And apart from the building itself, I think is one of the highest, tallest building in the city. But there are many amenities and offerings that we've been offering to the city, kind of Wi-Fi that we have got it, the service standards, the pool of trained people or the staff is something which is very different. You don't get to see across all the hotel. And being the first hotel, we have created the benchmark, and what comes next will be the followers.
यहाँ की different facilities क्या-क्या हैं?
We are standing in one of my favorite area. This personally, I like this area. The gymnasium, kind of gymnasium, and the facilities. As I mentioned earlier, the Wi-Fi of the hotel, which in a city like we never thought of it, 75 Mbps. The well-equipped and designed rooms, which is meeting the expectations and the requirements of whether it's a business travelers, leisure travelers, my segment, and everyone. So, which is very unique in terms of the features that you don't get to see so far in any of the hotels which are based out in Siliguri.
Being the director of the Courtyard, what do you want to say to the people of Siliguri?
I can't thank them enough because, as I mentioned, it's been here 1 year we've been here. We just celebrated our first anniversary. It's a love, affection, and the support from the people of Siliguri that we stand tall and confident. The way we were perceived, the way we were welcomed was overwhelming. So it's their love, and the journey with them has been so incredible, and that we have seen all the successes. It's just the support of the people that we continue getting it. And we are happy that it's a dream of the people that they thought of having something which is international level, and when we came we were welcomed very well.
Thank you so much, sir.